I'm more of a hands-on learner, and being outdoors was my thing. I've done 5 programs in 4 years of high school. There's all kinds of different classes. Every school offers different things. It's unbelievable how much you can learn here. You're doing the hands-on stuff, so it's gonna drill into your brain a little more. My word, just give it a shot. I know forestry, you get a lot of in-the-seat time. Like, you're running the equipment. You ain't just watching other people do it. You're actually doing it. I've learned a lot. I'm not the type to sit at home, play on Xbox. I want to be out there. I want to be making the money. I want to be making a difference to the world or to my community. That's kind of what I love about firefighting and love about the CTE schools is it's like you're all family here, you know what I mean? I would recommend it to anybody. My mother, she was pregnant with me while she was on the fire department. My grandfather, he was on the fire department for quite a while. I guess it just kind of runs through the family. A lot of businesses, they're looking for people with experience. CTE helps a lot with that. You go to a job and people are going to think that, they're going to think you're like probably 4 years older than what you actually are. And that's just a maturity that you have, that you grow from the CTE schools and the experience you get. I find it really awesome how CTE works wonders on a person. I'm Colton, 17, I'm from Maine. I'm in the CTE forestry program.